Right?
Gus's little party.
That's right, it's my people!
All his peeps.
Just show the pretty ones.
Okay, no, you know. Well, let's scan the crowd and see.
Yeah, let's see.
There you go. No.
No?
Yes. Yes. No. No. Maybe.
We'll just go under the table.
Yeah, you just had this continual party going on all weekend.
Fucking weekend, man.
Jesus.
Absolutely.
Non-stop.
It's the way to do it.
Yeah, but don't tell me now.
You know what you feed and living upon, right?
Yep. Scrape circle.
Maybe the afternoon. Write down on a piece of paper.
And this is Gus, the host. And this is me, the cameraman.
That's right.
Gays, kissing.
Queers, that's
fag. He's a bigger fag, though.
No, super gay. Super gay.
Oh, man.